Let us see how you can distribute a survey template. Click on Forms option in Administration, then click on Templates option. So this shows you the list of all templates. Those have been created by your UpRaise admins and saved in the system. So whichever template you want to distribute, you will have to click on distribute option in front of the respective templates. So let us see, I want to distribute this template, survey workflow tool. So I will click on that. I will click on distribute option in front of that particular template. So system has automatically selected the name of template that we had selected. In any case, if you want to change the name, you can click on this field and select the template, or you can simply type in the name of your template here. Then workflow is read-only parameter that tells you which workflow you had selected while creating that template, that particular template. So this is assigned to reviewers manager workflow, and this is the workflow transition. This image shows us how form will be processed in the system for this particular template or in this particular workflow. So click on next and then give name to your distribution. So let us say this is a Q4 survey for entire organization or whatever reason you have. Then write down descriptions or any guidelines related to the survey. This is not mandatory field, so you can simply click on next and move on to the next section. That's dates, where you will have to select process end date and review period. So process end date is the date when this form will be automatically closed by the system, and system will also stop accepting inputs from reviewers or from the users in this process in this form. And review period, where you select the date or the duration for which you are going conducting this review. So let us see, this was for Q. This is a survey for Q4 for some topic in your organization or any activity in your organization. So you will select this review period. Again, review period is not mandatory. There might be a case in survey or forms you do not have any review period and you are just distributing a survey form for some activity or getting inputs from from your employees regarding your organizational culture, environment, whatever it is, or something related to team activities. So it can be anything when it comes to survey. So this is not mandatory. I'm not adding any review period there. Then reminders option will allow you to add reminder dates. So I can add these dates to remind people who have not completed the form. So if form is assigned to someone and that person has not completed the form, system will automatically send email notifications on selected dates. You can add maximum 9 dates there, and you will have to add dates between the distribution start date to distribution end date or process end date. So today is 9th of January. So that's the distribution day, and 31st January is the closing date. So that we had selected the process end date. So dates you are selecting should be between 9 to 31st or whatever the dates you have as distribution start date and process end date. Then click on next, and most important part about adding users. There are two ways to add users. You can add users one by one. So you simply need to select users here or reviewers. So let us say Elsa is a person to whom I want to send this form. As simple as that, you can add multiple users manually or one by one here. Another option is about bulk search, where you can add bulk users in one go. You can, as it's a survey form, you may want to send it to all the users you have in UpRaise. You can simply click on select all option. System selects all the users there. If not that, then you can also select random users here. If you want to select users who have a particular manager or who has a particular designation or who belong to a particular team, you can do that as well. Or you can also search with any particular containing text in that user's name or designations, whatever user's profile. So let us say I want to search for people who belong to marketing and sales team. I will search those teams, click on search option, and system gives me the list of all people who belong to marketing and sales team. I can select all of them or I can do a random selection here. In same way, you can search for users and find their direct reports, or you can search for people who hold a specific designation. So let us say I want to add 4 to 5 users in my survey, and I have selected those people. So this is a survey form, so that's why there will be only one user involved in this process. In fact, there would be two people. First is reviewer, and the next is reviewer's manager, because this is assigned to reviewers manager workflow. So what exactly happens in this workflow? Once reviewer has completed the survey and he submits it, that form will be assigned to reviewers manager, where reviewers manager will check that form and approve that form and complete it, and then it will be assigned to the distributor of the form. So click on distribute option, and all the viewers will receive an email notification about this survey distribution. So this is how you distribute a survey form.